Yo, good afternoon, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a fantastic day. Kind of a choppy day out there. A lot of up and down action. Got a nice move going into close with the lunch lows. The only trade that I took today using inverses and whatnot. So getting into NQ, what I'm noticing is we're still in this daily order block. We haven't really rejected it yet though, but you see we have another candle close. It's the body of this candle closed above the body of this candle. So I'm expecting at least this high. I'm expecting at least today's high to be taken out either overnight or tomorrow here at 257. So this will be target number one, and then based on how we react here, I do think this is a weekly high from 2 weeks ago. The top of this order block at 15,336. I do think that will be another target. That will be the target if we keep pushing higher here. Uh, and then obviously if we push up from here, we're looking up here to the next level at 460. So just have to see what price does, how price reacts at these levels, and then going back to the daily. Obviously we have some daily FPGs we have to you know fill below at some point. Nothing saying we are going there right now, so nothing to be bearish about. Going to the 4 hour. You see, today we thought maybe we might get we this you know this morning we had some strong displacement down on the hourly, um, and turns out we just wanted to come back down and fill in the rest of this 4 hour FVG. You see, we hit the bottom of it, and then we went straight back up. So as long as this holds overnight, I do think we're obviously we're going to take out today's high again and then push up to 336. What happens at 336? Whether we get some kind of like model that gives us a setup to the showing us bearishness, then we're looking probably back down to 1550 here at this 4 hour. Um, if we keep displacing above, then we're going to go up to that 468 level, that the higher weekly high there. So yeah, so I mean that's really the condition going into tonight on NQ. This 4 hour breaks. Look here, if as long as it holds, I'm remaining bullish to 257 and 336 at minimum. So that is NQ. ES, pretty much the same thing. Daily order block here. Um, it's got two weekly highs here. Obviously, NQ's here at 44.23, and then it's got a high here at 44.30. If it's going to 44.23, it's gonna go back up to 44.30. Also worth noting, like this high is inside this FEG that rejected before. Those tend to be huge draws and strong liquidity points where price likes to go to. So 44.30 would be the next larger time frame target here on ES, and then you see it's got the same exact thing here as NQ. Um, Obviously a little bit stronger than NQ because ES didn't even come down and tap into this 4 hour today. So maybe we overnight we get some kind of move down into it. Not saying we have to, but I'm just saying if we do and then we get a long out of it, then that's obviously bullish. But yeah, same as NQ. As long as this holds, I am looking for today's high at 43.89. Yeah, I guess yeah, that would be today's high, and then probably Friday's high as well while we're right there. So just what is called 43.92. So yeah, long as this holds, it doesn't give up. 43.92 is in the cards, and then remember we do have these 4 hour relative equal highs as well that I pointed out this morning. Whoops, sitting at 4,400. So yeah, looking for 4391, 4,400, and then if we keep on, if we don't have any kind of rejection here, looking up to that 4430 level and how price reacts from there. Worth noting today. We'll get rid of these levels. Um, Obviously, we still have this nice algorithmic downtrend. So this is worth noting. If we get another bullish day tomorrow, this could start setting off this little downtrend, this LRLR, and then if if we start getting up here, then that pretty much tells us, okay, well, we should be looking at this first high in this downtrend up to 470, which would also align with that weekly high that I showed you right here. So that's what I'm looking at. Nothing says bearish until the 4 hour break. So that's pretty much it for what I wanted to show you guys. You guys already pretty much seen the trade today uh, with the lunch highs. Obviously, these were our lunch highs. For those of you that don't know, lunch highs are it's your highest and lowest candles between noon and 1 o'clock Eastern time. So you see, this was the 12 o'clock candle. It was the highest candle here. You notice how price comes right back to it, takes out those stops, and then starts to come back down. That's why we liked it because I mean it's a lunch high, but it was also equal highs on the 5 minute chart. Where were lunch highs on NQ? So our lunch highs on NQ were right here at that 15 225 area. You see, we take it and and then we start to pull back a little bit back into this 5 minute FEG. So if you're bullish, you want to see this hold back up to the highs, and then obviously if you're bearish, you want to see this break. The trade we took NQ, even though ES had the equal highs. I've just been liking NQ a lot better. It's moved so much better and so much quicker. Has a little more of a volatility, but seeing we had lunch highs on both and ES had equal highs, it made the play that much better because it's got a reason, even more better reason to draw up because we got the equal highs plus it being a lunch high. But obviously we inversed the 5 minute right here on NQ. It also was a 15 minute, so I knew as soon as we displaced over that, like okay, we can probably take a long position, at least get to break even and a trim and then see what we can get. I think we ended up exiting at like 15,210 about right here. The end of day was coming. I didn't want to play with any shenanigans, but you see it still delivered. If you held, good job. Uh, and then on ES, it was the same play. We had a 5 minute here. You see this one worked out even better. We closed over, retested it, and then you could have longed all the way up to 43.84 from 43.72. So that was the one play today. I mean, that's plenty of points for anybody to make a living on if you took it. So don't need a bunch of plays, especially in futures because of the margins and how well they pay. So with that, I don't have anything else to show you guys. Hope you guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.